Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just opened a box from Smashlots.com. I'm going to give you the breakdown of numbers of what I think I can make on the products I found inside. All right, so I just opened a sample box from Smashlots.com. A typical box has 25 units in it and usually costs $162.50 with $30 in shipping. This sample box, I paid $65 with $15 of shipping with a total investment of $80, and this only had 10 items in it. And so the $770 was actually the price for a typical box. But you can contact the company to find out if you can get a sample box, but their typical size boxes are 25 units. I wouldn't see why you wouldn't want to get 25 units from this company because their clothes are usually really nice. This is men's clothing. I did have one women's clothing item in it, but after I added up all of what I thought I could make on this, I came out to conservatively, and this is after fees and after I pay all my fees on my PayPal, eBay, Poshmark platforms, I came out to about $313.50. When I take away the $80 from the actual cost of the box, I'm going to make about $233.50 in my pocket on these really nice high-end clothes. Like I said, I got suit coats that are originally priced for $160, and what I think I approximate is about half of what I'm going to do for that. But, you know, I may get closer to the $100 or $120 mark. So I will get more for some of the items that I have than I've estimated and less for some of the items that I have. And so on average, I think I'm going to make about $233. So I'm super excited about the clothing I got from Smashlots.com. And hopefully this gives you an idea of what you can look forward to if you ever order a box from them. So just contact them, see what you can afford to get. And hopefully this has been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.